Hey everybody, Robert Wright here, private label attorney who helps Amazon sellers protect their brands online. And here's my question that I'm going to talk about today. What's the most effective way to negotiate with suppliers? It's so interesting, right? We get into this private label game and we know that we're supposed to go to Alibaba, right? And we know that we're supposed to get a lot of quotes and we're supposed to send a lot of messages. And you look for a gold supplier and are they, TT approved and all those sorts of things, right? So there's a lot of nuance with negotiating with suppliers. But here's the deal. Negotiations come down just basic principles, and the most important principle in any negotiation is leverage. All right, what I would encourage you to do: find at least 2 suppliers. Right, when you reach out to them, be very clear on your requirements. I am looking for this particular product. It's in this particular color. I want my brand name stitched on the product. I want a poly bag. I want it in these sorts of cartons. I mean, you have very specific expectations. Don't just accept whatever they give you, right? You are a business. You have very specific requirements. Spell out those requirements. Explain you want to do a small test order to start. Additional orders will be larger and bigger and more, right? And then let them make an offer. Never negotiate against yourself. Let the supplier make an offer. And understand that whatever that offer is, that FOB that you see, it can go down, right? Now, when you're dealing with small order quantities, 100 units, 200 units, something like that, you're not going to be able to get a lot of efficiencies of scale, but that's okay. Whatever that FOB is, I promise you, you can get it down lower, okay? Now, if you have 2 suppliers in the mix, what does that do? That gives you leverage. I'll give you an example. I was negotiating a deal for my private label business with a particular product, had 2 suppliers in the mix. One was about $20 more expensive, one was $20 cheaper, and guess what happened to the $20? I liked the more expensive supplier because the quality in the samples just seemed a little bit better. And sometimes you have to pay for quality, right? But I didn't pay $20 more. What I was able to do is say, hey, listen, I've got another supplier. Here's what they're providing. It's very similar quality, and they're $20 cheaper. What can you do for me? And guess what? My FOB went down. Leverage, leverage, leverage. Make sure that you're using leverage in negotiations. Alibaba is not a shopping mall, right? It is a game, and every penny counts. So make sure that you approach your negotiations with suppliers with that mindset. Number 1, never negotiate against yourself. Number 2, always have another supplier in the mix because you're gonna get a better FOB. You do that, those are gonna be great, simple strategies you can implement today to affect your bottom line and get you better deals, better FOBs, which means more margin, more profit for you when you're selling your private label.